that way first, and then come back this way. 3 over 4 lanes. They're gonna make it. Okay, 4 lanes.
Wow.
All right, this is the roundabout that goes to Falls Lake. All right, and to go turn over here, if we go this side. All right, you're going in old part of town. But you got to go around the roundabout to come, because right now it's closed.
Oh, well.
So every Sunday we come this way to see what progress they did. All right. Let's see, they're going to go right there.
See, Becky forgot to be a flagger.
I was actually thinking about it.
But there's not. You need a truck. You need to drive everywhere, Becky. Oh, there goes that.
Yeah, as soon as you said that, like, there goes that. Yeah.
No, I just need to learn to drive everywhere. Just need to get confident.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a 4-lane highway when they get it all. As you see, they're already, the bridge is already right there. But anyway, I get lost going this way because there are so many roundabouts. Why am I doing a roundabout? Lorna, help! Help! What lane am I supposed to be? Then last winter, it was all covered. I didn't talk to Greg's boss, okay, but his wife said that he got killed because he was all strapped in, all right, and everything. He don't know. He flipped it over, all right. And he said he's all strapped in, and his boss said, I have no idea what.
Rock your head.
You know what happened? Somewhere along the line, he might have got punctured or something, you know. But you know,
That's like Dale Earnhardt.
so
You would never thought that.